Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can develop a chatbot on your website using Lyzr Agent Studio. So this is going to be a very simple process where you just have to create a knowledge base on your website and then you can create an agent using any LLM. So let's get started with that. So the first step is to create a knowledge base. So you can just click on this and you can click on create new knowledge base. So I'm just creating it and you can name the database name. So I would want to create a database name for Build Fast with AI's website. So I'll just name it that. So this is the name that I'm giving, Build Fast Data, and description says website data of Build Fast with AI. So I will select one vector store. So currently there is this VV8 option that is available. So let me click on this. And for embedding model, you can choose any of these OpenAI models that are available. I'm just choosing the small version. And let me just click on create. So now we have the knowledge base created successfully. So now we can add all the relevant files, PDFs, or even website links that are related to the website. So let me just click on this. In this, I can add any dataset that I want. So primarily, I want this to be a chatbot on the website. So let me upload the website link so that I can create a chatbot on top of this. So click on upload and you can either drag or drop a PDF file, text file, or anything, or you can just give a website URL or even directly paste some raw text. So I want the website URL to be used, so let me paste that. So this is the website link, and maximum crawl pages, let me just say 5, and depth, let me say 2, and let me just click on upload. So this will take a couple of seconds. So what it is basically doing is it will take the entire website content, it will index it, and it will put it in a vector database so that we can develop a chatbot on top of that. Now it says the upload is successful and we can see Build Fast Data has this resource linked to it, which is our website. So that is great. So now I can connect this knowledge base to an agent and I can create a quick chatbot on top of it. So let me do that. So I'll go back to agents and I'll just click on create new. And in this, let me write instructions for this and let me explain it to you one by one. As you can see, these are the basic steps that I've mentioned. So the name of the agent is website agent, and I've given it a description saying that it is a chatbot for Build Fast with AI website. And I'm giving the role as expert customer support agent. And these are some of the standard AI instructions that I mentioned. Something like maintain a professional tone, follow up very well, use clear language. So these are some standard instructions that I'm using for the agent. And I'm not going to use any external tools, but you can try with that as well. So now I can just link it to the knowledge base. So knowledge base, I have to link it to the website dataset that I've created. So let me just click on this and I can select the dataset that I want. So this is the dataset. So let me just click on this, save. Once that is done, let me click on the create button and let me just update the changes. So one thing that you can actually do while creating the chatbot is you want to protect your bot from any toxic responses or maybe any toxic inputs. So what you can actually do is you can just scroll to the bottom and you can see options for safe AI. So you can just toggle on fairness and bias and you can click on the toxicity check. So whenever there are any harmful prompts, the agent will handle it accordingly. So this is very simple to configure, and you can also click on the humanizer also so that the responses are more human-like. So once you have entered all these details and entered the knowledge base, just update your agent. Once I have done that, I can just go to the bot and ask questions about the website. So let me try that. This is the question that I'm asking. Tell me about Build Fast with AI. Let me run this. So as you can see, I just asked it to tell me about Build Fast with AI, and it's giving a very good response. It's highlighting all the things that are in the website, and it's also giving a very good output. So let's say I'm interested more about the Generative AI Launchpad course that we have. So I will ask it to give more details about this. Give me more details about this. So this is the prompt. So let me enter it. As you can see, this is the output that I got. So it gives a very detailed output about the goal of the course, details about the course, who should join. It also gives details about me, who is the instructor for the course, and it also talks about how many people have signed up for our workshops before and all the other things that come with it. So this is how easy it is to create a chatbot on the website. Just create a knowledge base and link it with a couple of LLMs and tools as you wish. I would again recommend you to try this out with any website that is there and create different agentic RAG chatbots that I've shown before, and let us know how that is working out for you. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. We'll meet again soon.